好 this is Karen 老师 Today we're going to know all the sounds of Chinese language. As before, we already know some Chinese characters, like a how, but how do we pronounce these characters Hanzi? So today we're going to know Pinyin. Pinyin consists of initial, vowels, and tones. Like a how. Good. And 上课, let's start our class. 上课 also consists of initials and vowels. But sometimes, look at this. It only has vowels. It pronounces I. 我爱妈妈. I love my mom. Okay, now we know the secret of Pinyin. But how many initial and vowels do we have to know or to practice? Let's see. Actually, there are only 23 initials. Would you like to read after me? 波 坡 摸 佛 的 特 呢 了 个 科 和 机 七 西 知 吃 诗 日 资 次 思 一 乌 Well done. Good job. And also, there are 24 vowels, also consist of simple or compound vowels in this system. Okay, let's read it together. A, O, I, U, Ü, I, A, V, Ao, O, U, Ye, Yue, An, In, Wen, Yun, In, On. 非常棒，非常好。Now I think you can make all the sounds of these two parts. Okay, these printables are especially for kids. Feel free to download from the link. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time. 再见。